Hello everyone, welcome to this video tutorial. I'll be talking about introduction to UI UX design, understanding UI and UX design. Let's take a look at what we'll cover in today's tutorial. So we are going to be talking about what is UI UX design skills, roles and responsibilities of UI and UX designer, how UI UX designer works, and how to set your file in Figma. So let's get started. We'll be starting with what is user interface. UI design or UI user interface refers to the visual design of a digital product interface. It is the process of creating interface, namely apps and websites, with a focus on look, style, and interactivity. This is to tell you that user interface or UI designers are responsible for creating the visual products of a website or an application with all the stylings, fonts that you see on your screen. Now let's talk about UX design. What is user experience? UX or user experience designers focuses on creating products such as websites or apps that provide a positive and meaningful experience for users. Furthermore, this is to tell you that user experience designers are responsible for the user interactivity of a website and all the navigation, all the clickable links, and user ability of a website to give a user a good experience. Now let's look about UI designer skills. What are the skills required as a UI designer? UI design requires a strong grasp on both the technical skills that you need in order to produce your designs and the soft skills that will see you excel in the workspace. UI designers make research and learn about the trending design and be familiar with the designer's tools. As a UI designer, you should be familiar with some of these tools like Sketches and Figma, other tools like Penpot. With the help of these tools, UI UX designer creates a good product with a good interactivity with prototypes and helping them showcasing their process. Now let's take a look at UI UX roles and responsibilities. As a UI UX designer, UI UX designers aim to balance aesthetic and functionality to create impactful digital experience. The roles and responsibility of a UI and UX designer is to create a good visual product for their clients or customers to interact with, showing the process and making it user friendly and interactable for them. Now let's take a look at how UI and UX designers work together. UI design and UX user experience design are often used intangibly while they both share the same end goal of providing a good experience for the user. UI designers and UX designers work different sides of the same coin. UI and UX designers join together to achieve one goal. Now let's look at how to set your design file in Figma. Watch this video to learn how to set up your design file using Figma.